Greetings, PSW here again for my next review on the amazing X-Mini 2 speakers. X-Mini 2 speakers are designed to be ultra-light portable speakers that you can use just about anywhere. They are tough, well designed and sound incredible for their size. In this review I'll take a close look at the speakers and do some comparison tests so the viewers out there can get an idea of just how great these little guys are. Although the speakers are sold individually, I would suggest you buy two, so you get a better stereo sound effect. Here are my two. They each come with a nifty carry pouch, good for protecting them as well. Each one comes with one of these USB charging cables. Plugs into whatever source like a laptop or computer, and this goes into the side of the speaker. Like so. It also has a 3.5mm to the USB, so if you plug it in, it can actually play sound from the external source into the side of the speaker through the USB, or if you have a 3.5 to 3.5 cable, male to male, you can run it from into the side of the device over here, and it's running from the source. So that's a pretty cool feature as well. Anyway, so let's take a closer look at the little guys. I'll put these ones to the side for now. Right, so here it is, quite small. One of the most important things about it though is actually this part. If you turn it aside, you'll see there's actually two little lock and unlock. You twist the device and it pops up. And what that actually allows is for much better sound, and more importantly the bass to actually come out a lot better as well. So it generally sounds a hell of a lot better like in this form. But for travel purposes they've obviously designed it so you can do it like that. You can play music like this as well, but it doesn't sound nearly as good. On the bottom we have the 3.5mm cable that's integrated with the device. As you can see there, it's very well designed actually. It slots back into the actual unit, so as you can see it's quite well hidden in there. On the side over here we have the volume control, just a little wheel, plus and minus. That's the USB charge port you saw before. Here we have the power switch. Flicking that on actually makes the little LED go blue. And I'll show you as well with regards to that. Here I have an external USB charger. I'm going to show you how this is, what it looks like when you plug it in and it charges it. And the little red light comes on. So obviously you can run the units with USB running into them so they can run for quite a while, but they actually hold a really good charge. They've been said to hold up to 13 hours of charge in one go, which is really quite good. That's at max volume. Some test sites have said they've got 13 hours out of it. The site officially says 11 hours, but 13 is a pretty good number. So that's what it looks like from that point of view. What I'll do is I'll plug it in to an external source, and now what I'm going to do as well, hang on, I'll actually take both my speakers and I'll show you. This is a nifty thing, because unless you get two you don't really know you can do this with them. But the official site also stated that they'd taken 50 of these little guys and they'd linked them all together, and they played the music in this apartment, and apparently they got noise control around because it was so loud. Now I could probably believe that, because one of these little guys puts out 2.5 watt RMS. Now if you don't know what that means, it's pretty decent sound for something this small. Anyway, I've gotten two, which is now apparently approximately 5 watt RMS. Not bad for the size. As you saw, what I did there is I basically just clicked this one into that one. Now that one basically means that whatever music's coming into this one will play through this one. Or vice versa. If you play and plug it in here, it'll play into this one. So that's quite interesting, really. I'll show you by using my 3.5s, and then I'm going to run this now into the side of this one here, making sure that they're obviously both on and the volume is maxed out. That one's on, and so is that one. Yep, volume is maxed out. That's side by side, and I'll play a little song here. I'll close them quickly. basically they're running without them being expanded, and just let the music play through a bit, and you'll get an idea of the sort of sound. And I'll expand them while the music's playing. But yeah. Expanded. Yeah, you can definitely hear the volume comes out a lot better now. You can tell they're actually bouncing around a bit. They're actually moving